Hey, what's up everyone? This is Dylan with Segway of Ontario, and today I'm going to teach you how to pump the tires on your Ninebot Max G30 electric kick scooter. Now, the recommended tire pressure for the Ninebot Max is 55 psi. Keeping your tire pressure at that optimal level really helps you get the most out of your battery. Your battery has to work way harder when your tires are underinflated. As a result, you'll get less range out of your battery. What I recommend using is a pump, kind of like this one, with a PSI reader on the top. You'll also need your pump adapter, which comes in the Ninebot Max G30 box. So make sure you hang on to that. Now, I don't recommend using a gas station pump because for many of those, you can't control the output of air. And on many of them, there is no PSI reader. So let's jump into how to inflate your tires. We're going to take our pump adapter, which has two ends, a skinny end and a fat end. We're going to put the skinny end in the end of our pump. Press in and lift the latch. Rotate your tire until you find your pump valve. Take off the cap. Then screw the fat end of your pump adapter onto your valve. Screw it on clockwise. Until it's in place. Once complete, you can remove the adapter by twisting counterclockwise and replace your cap. Then repeat that same process on your back tire. Rotate until you find your valve. Remove the cap using the fat end of your adapter. Rotate clockwise until it's in place. And then you can pump your tire. Remove it by rotating counterclockwise and replace your cap. So that's it, it's really that easy. In the summertime, I typically check my tire pressure about once a week, and in the winter, I check it before every ride. When you're going from cold temperatures outside to the warm temperatures inside, sometimes you can see a flux in that tire pressure. Always make sure that your tire pressure on your Max G30 stays at 55 psi. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure you give it a like. If you really liked it, subscribe to our channel for more great tips and some awesome product reveals coming very soon. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the trails.